Hello there, welcome to our digital customer experience demonstration. Today we'll be showing you how fictional insurance company Sigma Insurance modernised and enhanced their customer experience after consulting with ECS. In this video, we will demonstrate our solution through a customer journey. But before we start the journey, here's a quick overview. So we will have a customer who's looking for a new car and car insurance. As the journey progresses, we will gather data on the customer which will help Sigma understand their preferences. This allows Sigma to develop rapport by helping the user purchase their car as well as making it easy to specify the insurance product they want. The outcome will be a satisfied customer and a good relationship with the brand. Now, let's introduce our customer, Gene. Gene is a young man who wants to buy a new car. He spent the past few weeks searching for new cars online. Sigma Insurance is currently running a marketing campaign that displays sponsored adverts and media impressions. This has been targeted to users who have been recently searching for cars and car insurance online. As Gene has been recently searching various websites for new cars, Sigma's targeted advert appears on his social media feed. He reads the advert, which tells him about the web app that Sigma offer to help people purchase a car and insurance. Gene is interested and recalls a friend mentioning their experience with Sigma and decides to give him a call. He asks his friend, "Have you heard of Sigma Insurance? I've seen an advert online and they seem to offer good quotes." His friend replies, "Yes, I had a great experience with Sigma, their chatbot is amazing." Gene was already quite interested in Sigma, and with his friend's approval, he's ready to see what Sigma have to offer. Gene decides to click on the ad impression, which takes him to Sigma's website. Gene lands on Sigma's website, and here we can see a few ways he can interact with Sigma, such as the contact center or through social media. However, for this demonstration, we will be using Sigma's chatbot. The chatbot starts the interaction by asking how it can help. Gene says he is looking for car insurance. The chatbot then checks whether this is for a car Gene owns or a car he is yet to purchase. Gene goes with the latter. The chatbot offers Gene some help in searching for a new car and asks which manufacturer he's interested in. Gene goes with a Volvo as he's seen a few he likes. The chatbot then dynamically suggests some models based on the manufacturer Gene mentioned, and Gene chooses the V90. The chatbot then asks which year the car was released, and Gene goes with the 2016 edition. The chatbot then asks Gene if he could create an account with Sigma so it can assist in his search. Gene is happy to do so and logs in through Facebook. So as we can see here, Gene is logged in using his Facebook credentials, and Gene can use Facebook to sign in with Sigma in the future. The chatbot informs Gene that these useful links have been sent to his email. These links include reviews for his chosen car and where he could purchase the car. Gene is surprised how quickly Sigma sent these links. They have found a site that sells the car for a great price. This has built some positive sentiment between Sigma and Gene. The chatbot then asks Gene to upload an image of his driver's license, as this will have some relevant information to help personalise his quote. Since Sigma has helped him so far, he's happy to share this information. Here we have Gene's driver's license. We can see his title, name, address, postcode, and date of birth. These will all be read from the driver's license and stored against his profile. In the background, Sigma will match his location to the relevant marketing data sources they have, including census data, index of multiple deprivation data, vehicle crime data, and credit risk data. And these will all be used to help tailor the quote to Gene. So Gene uploads an image of his license. The chatbot confirms it is a UK driver's license and then displays the information it will be storing against Gene's profile. Gene confirms he is happy with sharing this data. The chatbot then asks Gene if he could upload an image of one of his recent car insurance policies, as this will help determine what he would need for his new quote. So here is Gene's previous policy. It's very busy and he will normally have to manually enter all of this data. This is not the case with Sigma. When Gene uploads an image of his old policy, Sigma will extract the relevant information from the image and use this to auto-populate his new policy. The green boxes indicate data that will be taken using Amazon recognition. This provides Gene with a seamless process in receiving a quote without having to manually fill in this information. Gene then uploads his existing policy. The chatbot informs Gene that it is picked up from this policy that he has the O2 Telematics app and asks if he is willing to give Sigma permission to access this data. Gene has the application from his employer-provided car. The application uses location data to track driving habits and encourage safe driving. This provides Sigma with information on Gene's driving habits and will help further personalise his quote. Gene is happy to share this and logs into his O2 account. The chatbot then informs Gene that he is ready to generate a quote and asks if he would like the quote to be emailed. Gene says yes and confirms he is happy with the quote for now. The chatbot asks Gene if he would like to proceed to purchase, however Gene is not ready yet as he would like to try out the car at his local car lot before he purchases. The chatbot informs Gene that this newly generated quote will be found in the My Quote section of the site, which Gene can access at a later date. Gene goes over the new quote and confirms he can afford it, and it's actually cheaper than his previous policy. He uses one of the links Sigma emailed him to find a car lot that sells the Volvo V90 for a good price. So now we have reached a checkpoint in the journey. We've gone from a blank canvas about the customer, knowing nothing about Gene only minutes ago, to a rich 360-degree single customer view, and in turn, real value potential. For Sigma, this means better customer experience, an understanding of lifetime value and increased share of wallet, an increased quote-to-sale conversion success, better view and mitigation of risk, improved quote accuracy, as well as cross-selling and upselling opportunities. All of the information that Gene has shared is used to train Sigma's machine learning model. The model consumes data from across an array of internal and external data sources and channels used to train the thousands of model features required to predict the needs of Sigma's customers with extreme accuracy. This enables Sigma to offer better recommendations and finer segmentation for all of their customers, and ensures their experience with Sigma is tailored to their unique needs, providing them with a rich and satisfying experience. Now, let's continue with the story. A week later, Gene is ready to look at some cars at his local car lot. He test drives a few and finds one he likes. Gene opens the Sigma web app to see if he can get a quote. Gene opens the chatbot and the chatbot asks how it can help Gene. However, this time the chatbot detects Gene is already logged in and assumes now Gene is looking for an insurance quote, so it gives him the option to click for a quote. The chatbot then gives Gene a few options on how he can enter a license plate or a VIN number. He decides to upload an image of the car's VIN. The chatbot then informs Gene and noticed that the recent policy, uploaded earlier, did not include these add-ons, and recommends he include these, based on his driving history. This will still cost less than his previous policy. These add-ons are generated based on the data Gene has provided and recommended through Amazon Personalize. Gene agrees to including these add-ons in his new quote. The chatbot then informs Gene that he can access this new quote under the My Quote section of the website. Gene opens the insurance quote and is surprised to see a very good price, better than his old policy and with more add-ons. Sigma has also recommended that Gene increase his excess to further reduce the cost of his policy, as his past history indicates a low risk of making a claim. Gene can do so by using the slider bar. Gene has the option to pay annually, monthly, or can go for a consumption-based policy. The consumption-based policy is available to customers who install Sigma's DriveWell application on their phone. This app allows users to share their driving location data and in return have a reduced premium if they are driving safely and their driving usage is low. This is the cheapest option for Gene as he is a safe driver. Gene then buys the insurance. Gene's payment is processed by an external PCI provider, so that Sigma doesn't have to maintain the overhead of handling payments. Gene then receives an email confirming his purchase with the policy document attached. Finally, Gene receives a customer satisfaction survey at the end of the journey. This lets Sigma get some information on how they can further improve future interactions for Gene and other customers. So that concludes Gene's story. We started with Sigma targeting Gene as a prospect due to his recent search history, with an advert appearing on his social media feed. Gene then became a prospect when he began interacting with Sigma's chatbot and created an account through Facebook. Sigma then developed rapport with Gene by helping him with his car search. Gene then shared his driver's license, previous policy, and past driving location data, which allowed Sigma to build a quote tailored to Gene. This quote was saved to Gene's profile so he could access it later. Gene then found the car he wanted to purchase and used the VIN number of the car to update his quote. Gene then adjusted the quote as suggested by Sigma and decided to go with a consumption-based model by installing Sigma's DriveWell app. Gene is now a happy customer of Sigma who had a seamless experience in purchasing insurance. But for Sigma, the story begins now. Although Sigma have successfully sold Gene insurance, they have also developed a strong relationship with him at the early stages of his lifetime consumption journey for insurance. Sigma want to build on this positive relationship throughout Gene's life and continue to provide him with services and products personalised to his specific needs. As Gene gets older, he may start a family, resulting in the need for house and life insurance. This gives Sigma the opportunity to have an increased share of wallet. When Gene retires, he may become interested in medical insurance. This again gives Sigma the opportunity to suggest the appropriate insurance for his needs. Sigma can also use this data to identify other prospects as well as customer preferences and similarities based on their individual journey. To continue to provide services and products to customers throughout their lifetime consumption of insurance, Sigma used their machine learning model to drive these automated journeys. The model informs the sales and marketing team with the information that is captured from users' interactions with Sigma, as well as interactions through social media and other data sources that the customers have granted Sigma access to. This allows Sigma to continuously refine and enhance the data they have on customers to ensure they are providing a satisfying experience with products and services relevant to them. To understand this data, Sigma used their QuickSight dashboard. The information displayed in the dashboard gives insight into lead conversions, how successful campaigns have been, and customers' channel of choice. The dashboard allows us to understand how all aspects of the model's 650 attributes interact and interplay to drive various outcomes. This enables the sales and marketing team to avoid developing broad campaigns that attempt to cover a simple demographic, and instead develop very personalised campaigns supported by detailed customer data. With this data, Sigma can inform to a high level of confidence what the outcome will be and the appropriate steps to drive those outcomes. This reduces cost for sales and marketing as they are sending measured and calculated campaigns to specific prospects at times they are most likely to be receptive. Customers are also happier as they exclusively receive campaigns relevant to their needs. We now have a customer who is satisfied, and Sigma can build on that engagement throughout their lifetime journey. One of Sigma's key capabilities, which will enable them to do so, is their digital marketing campaign dashboard, driven by their machine learning model. This will ensure Sigma have a customer for life. Thanks for watching.